Yo, what up everybody, Arie here. So recently I made a video talking about Shopify's new update. They dropped a new theme that you can use for free on your e-commerce store. And today I wanted to share just some quick thoughts that I have on it after using this theme. So I actually installed this theme on one of my e-commerce brands, and I gotta say, I'm pleasantly surprised. Let me show you today so far. It's early in the day right now, and I'm seeing a 6% conversion rate, as opposed to like a week ago where the conversion rate was literally 1%. And for this brand, we're not running ads right now because we're buying US inventory and we're waiting for that to get here, but pretty amazing. And I gotta say, I'm really thankful for Shopify for continuously improving their business and giving resources to small business owners like myself to help make our businesses thrive. Now, the reason why I installed this theme, it's called Dawn, by the way, is because I've always been a huge fan of the Shopify themes that they drop. And the thing is, every time that you have a Shopify free theme on your store, it's gonna be crazy fast. It's gonna be way faster than any paid theme. Now, prior to this theme, I was using the theme called Debutify, which is really great, and it's also free, which is the best price. And I did like the functionality, like you could customize it so much and add a lot of cool stuff. But I realized, like, you know what? All this stuff is kind of unnecessary. It's slowing my website speed down and I really don't need it. So my previous speed score right here with Debutify was about 25, which is really slow. And now it went up to almost double to 46. So this just goes to show what a lot of experts say in the space, which is that website speed optimization is extremely essential. So a couple of things that I also did to help my website speed that I want to share with you is, first of all, I deleted some apps. So I had a couple other apps that I didn't really like. I was using Ollie reviews instead of Looks reviews, and for some reason it was really slowing my website speed down. I think it's because of the way that they uploaded the picture reviews. Like, they were using a separate server to showcase the images as opposed to Looks reviews, which updates the pictures to just your Shopify theme. So I think that made a big difference. And then another big difference is I, of course, optimized my images again. So I downloaded crush.pics. It's a pretty cheap app that allows you to compress all of your images. I'm pretty confident we're gonna turn this small little brand into a 7-figure brand within a year, just because of how profitable we are and how much our community loves us and how much we love them. That's really the dream. It's just being able to make money while serving the world. I'm not gonna lie, I stole that from Ezra Firestone. That's his whole motto, and I definitely suggest that you guys go check out his channel. He does not get the clout he deserves. I mean, obviously, I don't think he cares at all about clout, but he's probably one of my top 5 entrepreneurs. I mean, I just love his content and I love his mission and vision. I vibe with him a lot, if you can't tell. But that's what he says, is serve the world unselfishly and profit. I mean, you know, businesses need to make money. That's no secret. We shouldn't be ashamed to want to make money, but we also shouldn't let money be the only driver and motivator, because ultimately, at least in my personal experience, it feels good to give value to people. I mean, that's one of the big reasons why I love making daily content. I just love sharing information, sharing ideas, sharing value. It's not because I have to do it, it's just because I genuinely want to, which is a beautiful thing. I am also going to be using the Dawn theme on my Netsphere store. So this is brand number 3, Netsphere. I'm still thinking about how to actually build it, but it's going to be a pretty dope e-commerce digital product hybrid, and I'll continue to update you guys on how that goes. I'm still looking for a good local place to embroider the hoodies, because I got the best hoodies right now, but I want to embroider them and make sure that they're like the highest quality possible. But it's been kind of difficult to find a good place. But yeah, I'm really happy with this theme. I gotta say, like, there's so many cool things that you can do, and I love how customizable they've made it. Like, you can literally add any sort of block here. Like, we can add, for example, collapsible tabs here, and, you know, like, use different icons. Like, we can do a little heart. One thing I want to do with this brand is donate money towards building schools in third world countries. I feel like that would be a pretty cool cause to help with for this brand, since Netsphere is mainly an education brand. But yeah, I strongly encourage you guys to go check out this theme. I think Shopify totally killed it. I mean, I'm really happy with it on these 2 stores so far. On my main brand, our conversion rate is not nearly as high, but our products are way more expensive. And we use the turbo theme. I mean, we've had good days like this, for example, where our conversion rate is it's like pretty good, and our visitors to sales ratio is really good. However, now I'm starting to feel like, man, maybe we should switch to a Shopify free theme here as well, just to see how much faster it gets. But yeah, I just wanted to flex my returning customer array real quick. I'm just kidding, but I just really love the idea of returning customers. I saw somewhere that said the average lifetime value of a Starbucks customer is like $10,000 or some crazy number like that, and they sell like $3 drinks, right? Or $3, $4, $5 drinks. But either way, that's a pretty ridiculous number. That's like a mortgage on a house. So that goes to show that returning customer rates are important. But yeah, I just wanted to share my opinion on this new theme with you guys and just a little bit of my experience with it so far. I've only had it for like a few days, but it's really cool, and I just love that it's free. So literally every single one of you guys out there can use it without having to pay anything. So yeah, make sure you subscribe to the channel for daily digital revolution videos, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.